them peer you up, son. When them go snip him, go and go do the gas pass, bypass, gastric. The gastric surgery, you need a gastric bypass. Big over sour weight, bitch. You need a gastric bypass, girl. Because you cannot do no talk at all. No doctor not talk you with that the weight that you have. You weigh 790 pounds. Nobody not take you up. Go talk you. You need to go lose the weight first. Go and go make them cut your gut. Make them cut in your esophagus and in your esophagus food. Make them cut it down to size and turn in a one peanut. You're too big and stink and over blood clot weight, girl. You're too big and can't boil little soup. Me rose clot. So how you people them go eat? No wonder Drake's house bills on so fast. See it there now? All Drake's now if you going on an Airbnb, they rent house, give how you feel. Tell me how you feel. Tell me how you feel. How you feeling? How you feel? Eh? The man gone in a house now. Apartment. 750 pound bitch. You broke his scale, dirty girl. How you feel? Tell me how your blood clot feel now. The man move out, dirty girl. Big size bitch. Overweight girl. Obesity. How you feel? Tell me how you feel. No more rice. No more onion, pepper, scallion and thyme. In the blood clot. Not no more. You have to go near bowl slush for the rest of your life, girl. Bowl slush all day. No one you pressure pour a little shanta. If you go cook in a kitchen, if you go fry all fish, pour a little shanta. Leave shanta alone and go learn to do things overweight. Sour, girl. Yes. Oh, you're sour, man. You're big and over blood clot weight and sour. Your bum, you don't see how you look bad. The whole of your side, the over your panty. Me say the whole of your blood clot side, the over your panty. There is no way. Me have to lift a piece of my side to take off my drawers. I mean, I say something wrong, you know. Something wrong. Me say if you put on a G-string right now, it lasts. Me say, mama, if you put on a G-string, you can't find. Diamond go cook at the diamond get workless, man. Me say, Diamond, when you fuck you, you go through a midlife crisis hour. Look how I'm running your yard. Go your yard, Diamond. Go up. You come here, come turn blood. Diamond, when you come here, you come turn. Between me and you. Thank you, my side. When you come here, Sophie B. Mascot, idiot, chef, or a housemaid? Which one? Obviously, you see the big stinking overweight thing cannot do nothing, you know. When the fuck you catch up there so far? Diamond, you can get views without huggy sour. You don't need big think rose. Rose stink like dog shit. Go and go for your talented girl, Diamond. You don't need no series. You don't need nothing from big think rose. Rose, I look somebody for use. Use a pussy cloth toilet paper, you want paper towel. Don't make them the big thinking girl they use you. Nothing that sour girl they have half to your blood clot. All of them have views the way you see think rose that get so dry up. And nothing the people enough to do Diamond. Diamond go be talented. This big stinking girl not talented. She dunce. This girl can't read. All she do is get up and cuss all day. She don't know if she cook. The girl don't even know if she clean her own house. Why would you want to be friends with a non-progressive element like that? No amount of money when she begging her world can make she good Diamond. A dog shit that one big workless woman. She don't offer nothing to fucking life. Nothing at all, Diamond. Diamond, you're a big talented girl, Diamond. Diamond, the way you're fucking talented, the amount of dance when you create already, love you, Kelly. The amount of dance when you create already, dog. Talented girl, your name written down in a history. Them your big sour overweight, stinking, can't read, dunce, blood clot girl, yeah. Now nothing half to Jamaica. The only thing Jamaica remember this big sour overweight obese girl for. She can't read, get up and cuss all day. Then take away pitney them. She always a bad about abuse, but she are the only abuser we see. Go and go find something progressive do with your day, Diamond. This big stinking girl are gonna bring your bumbo clot down. You hear me? You see when this overweight tractor can't get for your blood clot weight, you're gonna hear, Diamond, you're bigger than this. You're bigger than them. Oh, me no mean in a body. You look good, girl. What you do with that, the big two-door fridge there? You're good blood clot, girl, Diamond. God, your yard. You don't need to there around that the crowd there, walkless crowd that. Can't cook crowd that. Can't read crowd that. Then the girl is nasty and not even like clean up in one place. And the first we see dirty girl a move around in our house and not even fear our one. Oh, you fi make one nasty, big, overweight, sour girl we can't even cook. Have you as blood clot friend. You need to let go them the company there. Them they are drunk. If Akeem can't let go that the company there, what do you so? Low with drunk making blood clot stay there. This big overweight casket, low with dirty girl make you stay over there. Your name will get dragged in a fucker because of this big bumbo class Spanish table. You need to move from side of him, dog. This dirty girl not offer nothing to your life, Diamond. This is a workless mother. A dirty girl with overweight and can't see herself look so bad. Because if you can look in a mirror as Rose and sister and say nothing not there, something wrong with you, dog. Me I tell her that every little girl me know have self-esteem. And me see she dirty, big, stinking, overweight, nasty Rose. We can't cook, we can't clean, we can't have our man nothing more than her stinking pussy. Said nothing not do her. Something is actually wrong with this stinking girl. Because if you look in a mirror and say whatever you see, you big blood clot Spanish table, look like one bagass boat bed to blood clot. If you look by your bagass body and say nothing, there's something wrong with you. Something wrong with you. There is no woman that look in a mirror and look like you. Girl, you look like a coach. I saw you walk like me coach. You rock. You rock from side to side like the blood clot coach. So you will say nothing, dear. Yeah, you look bad, you fuck. I have never seen a bitch look as fucking bad as you. If me have you rock from side to fucking side to reach to a destination, something is wrong with me. You need to lose weight, bitch. You can't even walk from a lane mouth to down the sun and blow shot. Girl, you can't even lay down in a one bed and talk. And your breath now left you. You look fucking bad. You look bad. Diamond, what the fuck you do around that, Diamond? Look at you, nice woman. Diamond, when she reach at your age, you know, that the girl that will, she don't even must reach at your age. That could have dead before in blood clot reach a 40 years. Diabetes. All of them, they see the killer, the overweight hog there. Me say I saw the hog walk. The hog walk from side to blood clot side. Like I'm a coach. And you want to say you big overweight stinking thing. You not sitting around with you. Mama, you need to lose weight. You need a nutritionist. You need to learn to cook. You need to learn to clean. These are all things that you should have learned from a tender age. Which girl at your age don't know if you clean a house and cook some food. But you like laid up on your back and take fuck. You like run back a man. You like when man give you buzzy feeling and you can't prepare a meal, give them to eat. You cannot give a man nothing more than the sour pussy where you have underneath you. The water don't know pussy where you talk about by internet. Nobody at all want that big blood clot jump for fuck. Your pussy coming like one big jump of water. Nobody don't want no pussy from you. Which girl walks up? Can blood clot turn me on? Turn on who? Bitch, you need to go rock your way in one bumbo clot gym. You big overweight stinking sin thing you. Your blood clot workless. And when people say workless, they know what is workless. You can't cook, you can't clean, you can't do nothing at all to suit one man more than suck him wood and fuck him. And then you with your big overweight, ugly blood clot self. I talk about you not so good. Rascal. And that's all dog shit like you do. Lick out body and so good. Nobody not a appetite for fuck you know. Your mouth coming out. And that blood clot happen. Nobody don't want a big hug like you for blood clot sentimental with. And lay down and chops up with. You idea? Nobody at all will chops you. But I'm home. Nobody. Not even blood clot jakes. Me don't care which abscess you cut off my face. Not even with the abscess. Jakes now come kiss you on the mouth and talk about your home. You have a face only a mother could love. You from here, so. Dog shit. You always come go like say somebody got choose to fuck you. I force people to force to fuck you. You, remember, please, get up. Please, I beg you, please. Yo, dad, your boy told me to go only pop them over your yard. Me check get up, me cock at nothing, get up. No man cock at all. We willfully get up for you. We have to take pill. We have to take blood clot, honey pop. They have to take Viagra. We get up cock. We fuck all you. You have a non-appetizing body. You big shit but blood clot. You should have a scandal bag. Dirty girl. I never see this in my history. And you love to go like you're somebody. Bitch, you're a rock away for your dog walk for name, girl. Me never know say rock away still a blood clot one, girl. You rock away your fuck. Move your pussy clap, penguin walking blood clot from here, so thinking fat, girl. You overweight and slime in a bumbo clot. Move penguin, God. You dirty bumbo hole. Which one are you